Hey, this is Thor from beautiful Prescott, Arizona. Today's fun project for me was going to be installing some black Gorilla tape on the back part of the Kawasaki Ridge where the plastic meets the rest of the unit, and there's some openings there. I was hoping to alleviate a little bit of the dust I have left, which is not much, and maybe some heat issues. But I figured, well, I'm doing that since I have all the seats torn apart anyway. I'm going to try to lower the driver's seat an inch or two. So I'm going to tear that apart, dig into it, and see the easiest way to install the seat lower without the track system, of course, without hopefully breaking anything. So wish me luck. Here we go. So I'm working on the Kawasaki Ridge seat lowering modification. What I will do is I'm going to leave these bolts here. I'm going to give them just a little bit of play. So what I can do next is take my seat frame, which I cut on both sides, and I'll slide it in. And once I'm done, I'm going to mount it back to those two locations right there. So to show you what I'm going to do is I took and notched out again. I'm doing this one-handed, mind you. Slide that right in. And it lines up perfectly with the factory holes. Now let's go to step B. So to gain access to the front holes with a tool, I'm gonna have to trim this a little bit and bend it in on both sides, which I'll do next. So I've trimmed both sides and I've bent it in a little bit, so now I have access to the hole for my tool to tighten everything up. Next, you want to drill out the hole here a little bit so you can fit the factory bolt through there again. So now everything's in place. It's a really snug fit, so I take a little screwdriver, or a big screwdriver actually. I just pull it a little bit for the holes to open up, and I'll put the bolts through. So now we've installed the seat base. Everything is super solid, no rattles at all. Again, when you're tightening it, you want to drill out these holes a little tiny bit. And again, use a screwdriver to pull it out into the spots. It'll make life a lot easier. Next, I'm going to trim the metal piece here, because as it sits right now, it's going to be too long. It's not going to lock into place. And then I'm finished. So here's the hook that's been trimmed. About 2/3 is removed. So now I can get it on there. Super solid. Very good, very good. So that is it. We are finished. The seat does feel lower, more comfortable. I don't feel like I'm sitting in a bus anymore. Again, I am 6'4". I have a 34-inch inseam. Look at the room I have now. Both sides. My legs are sitting more level now. I actually have to adjust the steering wheel a little bit lower now. It was sitting higher before. I'm very happy with the modifications so far. I'll take it out for a spin tomorrow and see how it goes. But if you're like me and you're sick of the extra height and you're never going to adjust your seats, try this modification here. It's not that hard. Just need a Dremel, drill, a big ass screwdriver, and just some basic knowledge, and you'll have a much more comfortable cab inside your Kawasaki Ridge. Well, I hope you like this video, and I hope it helps everybody out there. This is Thor. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.